Hello. Good morning, my tiny tots. How are you? Fit and fine? Good. And tell me, do you practice whatever you are learning through videos? Yes? Really? Very good. Then clap for yourself. Very good. So, I, Parita ma'am, welcome you all once again in my online sessions. So, are you ready to learn today? Yes? Are you excited to learn something new? Good. Come on, let's start our learning. Okay, children. Do you remember in our previous sessions of GA, I told you about amazing nature. Correct? So, what do we see in nature? Do you remember? We see animals, birds, flowers, fruits, vegetables, insects, etc. Correct? And we have learnt about flowers. Correct? So today I am going to teach you about insects. Insects किसे कहते हैं पता है? जो कीड़े मकोड़े जीव जंतु होते हैं ना, उन्हें हम insects कहते हैं इंग्लिश में. So come on, let's learn about some insects. This is housefly. Housefly मतलब मक्खी. आपने मक्खियाँ देखी है घर में? हाँ, मक्खियाँ हमारे घरों में आती है, बाहर भी होती है. बाहर वो हमेशा कचरे में या गंदी जगहों पे बैठती है. इसीलिए हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हमारे घर का खाना ढका हो, ताकि मक्खियाँ उस पर आके ना बैठे और हम बीमार ना पड़े, क्योंकि मक्खियाँ बहुत बीमारियाँ फैलाती है. नेक्स्ट इज मॉस्किटो. मॉस्किटो मतलब मच्छर. मच्छर काटते हैं ना हमें, फिर मम्मा क्या लगाती है जिससे कि हमें मच्छर ना काटे? ओडोमस लगाती है. यस. तो हमें मच्छर से भी बच के रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि मच्छर भी बहुत सारी बीमारियां फैलाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इंसेक्ट इज कॉकरोच. डू यू सी कॉकरोच इन योर होम? यस. हाँ, कॉकरोचेस भी ज़्यादातर बाथरूम में, किचन के सिंक में, है ना, गटर के पास जहाँ पे पानी जाता है वहाँ पे हमें देखने मिलते हैं. राइट? हाँ, और ये भी बहुत सारी बीमारियाँ फैलाते हैं. तो फिर हमें घर में पेस्ट कंट्रोल करवाना पड़ता है, दवाई डालनी पड़ती है, जिससे कि कॉकरोचेस घर में ना आए, है ना. नेक्स्ट इंसेक्ट इज एन एंट. दिस इज एन एंट. एंट मतलब चींटी. आपने देखी है ना, छोटी छोटी चींटियाँ बहुत सारी होती है. वो हमेशा एक लाइन में चलती है और बहुत सारी एक साथ ग्रुप में होती है हमेशा, है ना. घर के अंदर, घर के बाहर, हर जगह देखने मिलती है. नेक्स्ट इज ग्रास हॉपर. व्हाट इज दिस? ग्रास हॉपर. ग्रास हॉपर हमेशा जहाँ बहुत सारे घास, बहुत सारी ग्रीनरी होती है, वहाँ पे हमें देखने मिलते हैं, और उसका कलर भी ग्रास जैसा ग्रीन होता है. नेक्स्ट इज हनी बी. व्हाट इज दिस? हनी बी. हनी बी गिव्स अस हनी, एंड हनी बी लिव्स इन बी हाइव. हनी बी के हाउस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? बी हाइव. दिस इज बटरफ्लाई. We see butterflies in many different colors and different designs, right? They are very beautiful. This is bedbug. bedbug यानी खटमल, जो हमारे बेड में, हमारे बिस्तर में घुस जाता है और हमें काट सकता है. इसलिए हमें हमेशा हमारा बेड क्लीन रखना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज लेडी बग. दिस इज ladybug. It is in red color with black spots on its body. And the last one is caterpillar. This is caterpillar. It is green in color. So children, did you enjoy learning about insects? Yes? Good. And you know that all insects have 6 legs. How many legs do insects have? 6 legs. Okay, animals have 4 legs, but all the insects have 6 legs. Now let's revise insects one more time. Ladybug, caterpillar, grasshopper, ant, butterfly, cockroach, bedbug, mosquito, housefly, and honeybee. Honeybee gives us honey. These all are called insects. Now, activity time. Let's do one fun activity. Ready? Come on, let's start. For this activity, I have one white paper sheet, red paint, yellow paint, blue paint, and one black marker. Now, I will use my thumb and dip it in blue color first. Then, I will press it on a white paper like this. Then I'll use my finger and again take blue color and press it like this on a paper properly. Now I will use another finger and dip it in red color and press it on paper at a distance like this. Now I will take yellow color on another finger and press it at a distance on a white paper sheet like this. Now yellow color again. So children, as you know, butterflies are colorful. Butterflies are in different colors, right? So we are going to make different color butterflies. Now red color butterfly. It is very easy and fun activity, children. You can do it at your home with the help of your mama. Now let it dry for some time. After it gets dry, take a black marker and draw it like this and make antenna of butterfly and put some dots. Now another butterfly. Isn't it very colorful? Yes, and it is very easy for you to make, right children? So do it at home. Now red butterfly. Butterflies are very beautiful and colorful insects. Now we are going to make ladybug. Ladybug is also red and black in color. So like this, make one standing line in the middle and put some dots on its body and we'll make his legs. How many legs do insects have? 6 legs. So our ladybug is ready. Now we are going to make honeybee. Honeybee gives us honey. Honey is very yummy and sweet, right children? And it's good for health also. So we'll make some lines on honeybee's body like this. What is the color of honeybee? It is black and yellow. Our honeybee is ready. Wow, see, our activity is finished. We have made different butterflies. Blue, yellow and red. And ladybug and honeybee. These are all insects. Did you like this, children? I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. So now it's worksheet time. I'm going to give you one practice worksheet. So let's see the worksheet. This is your practice worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to match the same insects. For example, first picture is of a honeybee. So you have to find another honeybee opposite side and match it with that. Same way you have to match all the insects. Okay children, bye-bye for today. Take care and stay safe and keep practicing. I will see you in next session.